Meaning of ecotype.
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 Ecotype. Ecotype refers to a subpopulation of a species that has adapted to unique environmental conditions, such as climate, soil type, or elevation. These adaptations may result in differences in physical traits or behaviors compared to other subpopulations within the same species. The development of ecotypes is important for the long-term survival of a species as it allows them to thrive in diverse habitats. Understanding and conserving ecotypes is also essential for biodiversity conservation, as they represent unique genetic resources that help sustain ecosystems.